Hi Royals, if today happens to be your first time on this page, then please do well to click on the bell below to subscribe, because when you subscribe you get notified whenever a video is posted on this channel. And for beauty videos is every Tuesdays and Sundays, so please do well to subscribe. Well, today's story is about a rich culture in Ghana. So a Ghanaian traditional marriage. There are over 100 ethnic groups living in Ghana, but the largest are Akan, Dagbani, Ewe, and Gam. The Ghana marriage is a traditional ceremony where the groom, accompanied by his family, goes to the bride house and formally asks for the bride's hand in marriage in the presence of friends, family, and well wishers. The traditional Ghanaian ceremony is a must for all marriages for all Ghanaian couples. Some choose to perform the traditional plus the Western marriage known as the white wedding on the same day. Others prefer on different days, others too later in life. The interesting part of it is that most of the bride tries to exhibit the tribe outfit with a combination of colors that matches with their dress, and also it goes in line with the husband to be outfit too. However, all this promotes the rich culture of Ghana to foreigners. So on that note, makeup artists, photographers, events planners, designers, others are booked to grace the occasion. Since the world is evolving, every bride wants to look their best on that day. So this is how come this beautiful bride booked us to be part of her day, and the exquisite team was there to glam her. So please, if you want to book us for your traditional marriage, your wedding, any events, please do well to check the description box for our details, and do well to subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss out on all the videos. And also remember to share, leave a comment below at the comment section, and remember to stay safe in this coronavirus outbreak. Peace out.
The gifted producer. Rich up, rich up.